John in the park, that in a full of jack. Love is so hard, you make me stop. Been up in a double up, some of them mothers want to make a much of press up until I tell me say.
Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another one. This one's special because this person I'm an artist. Teejay, you're my artist, bro. You know you're my artist already. Cause me tell you already, Michi. You see me? Teejay, I'm an artist. Teejay done a BBC One Extra live in 2019. I watch it a million times, but I say, yo, I have to share this video if you don't see it yet. This is one of the best One Extra live at Jamaica, the man them do. Teejay is a young legend of the business. This is how real live performance should sound like from the new school of artists that's coming up, because we all know that the 90s dancehall artists are the best. In my book, the 90s dancehall are the best. But this is how the new school artists them should sound, brother, performance wise. So new school artists, go and pre this live performance. Feel the passion, feel the energy, feel the beat, like feel everything, like feel, just own your performance, own your stage presence. This is why Teejay is, may I say it, Anto, is my favorite young artist. When I say young artist, not so young, but in that crop of artists, Teejay is in my top 3. You understand? I'm not take back that. I don't care who vex. Listen what I want. Listen, Teejay. Let me just say to big up Rough Cut band. Baddest in Jamaica. Baddest. So, let's go.
Let me tell you this, me no fright feelings, your style committing. Me no just some boy cause them reply to me drink. If me no rate you, me no go run your people, me no want be the link. Cause me know if you alone, me can't buy a spliff, much less buy a drink. Never grow fi buck out, come me born as a tux. My mother never grew up with me. Me no frightened of people, no frightened of people now. People have been frightened of me. Jaga in the streets and me out at night.
Yo, Teejay, as a performer, yeah, Teejay have it locked. Like me said, Teejay have it locked. Me cannot give Teejay enough praises, dog. Teejay just have it locked. I actually see Teejay live, never disappoint. Teejay is my new school performance, brother. The man does the passion, dog. The passion, bro. No joke. You have some people who love the music, you have some people who have love for the music. Teejay love the music, brother. No joke.
Yeah. They read my everything, me no love life. They never tell her before it's a picture but vibe. Because why you can't manage enough life. Better you suffer the consequence of enough life. And you me stay in me own, I live in me own, I live so no boy can't style me. Stay in me own, I live in me own, I live so no guy can't style me. My own, just shut up what they talking about me while you know me friend them on me part of the reptile. Stay in me own, I live. Stay in me own, I live.
One job.
Make you do that. Can't my name go two cops. Love your belly, you that never go find your dead like a rat. Better say you live up by your yard and you're the cooper. Mother see your body and the after so you do that. Never them a move like you that say. Tell some boys to be move and rest. And I say make a thing them dog and a big so we do that. Look at the glass and the no but I say I'm never gonna be like you married. Just in the glass and then super come over them so by too hard. Oh, Nelly, let me own a lane. No boy can't style me. Let me own my own, my own, my own, my own. Shut up what they're talking about me while you know me friend them up far with a reptile. Stay in me only, stay in me only. Afraid of feelings, start anything. Me not just some boy call them a pie to me chin. Run your people, me not far with your people, come in a one million. Hey, you know if you want, well, me split, much to see by your chin. Never grow up in Bobo, born as a dog, mother never grew up well. Me not frightened of people, not frightened of people now. People have been frightened of me. Just hate me in the streets and be out at night. Why you me not love life, yeah. Them never tell you before it's a branch of bad vibe. Because why you can't manage enough life. You
Next track. Baddest performance. Watch your second track. Watch your second track, dog. No joke.
So the boy can't
style. You can't style me. Then that's what rough cut and nobody there, sir. Man say you can't style me a rough cut and nobody there, sir. Know yourself. Yo, baddest thing, man. Ready again. Ready. Listen to one. Now.
Tryna go round the thing. If you learn your BBC ever got me head back anyway, they whirl you. So we don't care if your mama now going on nowhere. She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, but bring your body for the up top pass. Bad man I touch your baby got up class. Jump up in the belly like say you have scotch. Me a top now to bring your legend. Skinny girl to be touch that ass. Don't you tell your friend them say the boy mad. And that your love racing can see fall. Me stop your heart baby pick your ball. Me feel the gun mommy when you see down funny and you're something tight and you know people broke. Whoa, love you totally and touch her globally. Say she be cry. She don't love nobody, but you love it anytime me stop up you. I me love your baby because you're so happy. And you love anytime in your soul and you want me to say but you don't take it out of me. Bend down. But that's your love. Bend down. Calm yourself, don't be. But mother touch you, tell me what you feel. Bend down.
Yo, I'm the baddest bomber clad you this. Brother. And the baddest bumbleclad dancehall artist is in the young generation. Him a lead. Him and Dexter Daps a lead, brother. Performance wise, them a lead, bro. No joke.
Bring your body for the up top pass. Bad man I touch your baby got up class.
Just listen to the passion. Listen to the passion in the man. That's why me not talk much, you know. I make it play, but me I do. Me know the song, so me I mime it, you know.
She like say you have scotch. Me a top now to bring your legend. Skinny girl to be touch that ass. Don't you tell your friend them say the boy mad. And that your love racing can see fall. Me stop your heart baby pick your ball. Me feel the gun mommy when you see down funny and you're something tight and you know people broke. Whoa, love you totally and touch her globally. Say she be cry. She don't love nobody, but you love it anytime me stop up you.
Yo, man, I have to give the drummer. I have to give the drummer lots of respect. Big up the whole rough cut band, but the drummer, Jesus Christ, man.
I love your baby because you're so happy. And you love anytime in your soul and you want me to say, but you don't take it out of me.
Hold.
Bend down. But that's your love. Bend down. Calm yourself, don't be. But mother touch you, tell me what you feel. Bend down.
Listen, watch out. Mix.
Alright then, up your body for second, you pop it up and if me get the supper right and over with the happy talk. Get you pop it again, I'm in the happy side, Nicky la la, oh God, you want me God. He get the keys in the car, run the free hard. Left your in a memory, come like a city pass. And you wake up anytime when you see the bar. But bring your body for me. Hard man and touch and be
Bend down, alright then.
Calm yourself, don't be.
But motherfucker, tell me what you feel.
Bend down. Mix, alright then. Up your body for second, you pop it up and if me get the supper right and over with the happy talk. Get you pop it again, I'm in the happy side, Nicky la la, oh God, you want me God. He get the keys in the car, run the free hard. Left your in a memory, come like a city pass. And you wake up anytime when you see the bar. But bring your body for me. Hard man and touch and baby and now. Jump up in the belly like say you have scotch. Me and don't know to be your legend. Skinny down to me touch that hard. When you tell your friend them say the boy bad. And that your love racing against the wall. Mr. Yo, she right with me, you're right with she. about me. Alright, she take up it, give me for Mr. Puppy from back. A puppy something if you stand up your grind job. Better say the love you make you happy come back. Better say the affection make you happy come. Take time over, love your body, my girl. Put the hand twerking. Love when you wind up your body, baby. Me a tell her say you're worth it. You make me say think of your belly, you know sit it up like such a bar. Say yeah. Take time off, take time off, take time off. One drop now, action in the park. That dinner full of chat. Love is so hard, you make me sit me stop. Been up in a double up, some of them others want to make a much of a support until I tell me say. When they put up something upon me, baby, me like that.
Oh, fuck yeah! What? Which mic me attack to? Put on the mic here. Yo! Yo, TJ body, you fuck, dog. No joke, brother. Stand up your grind job. Everything gonna come back. This is the vision make you happy come. Take time over, love your body, my girl. Put a hand twerking. Love when you wind up your body, baby. Me a tell her say you're worth it. You make me say think of your belly, you know sit it up like such a bar. Say yeah. Take time off, take time off, take time off. One drop now, action in the park. That dinner full of chat. Love is so hard, you make me sit me stop. Been up in a double up, some of them others want to make a much of a support until I tell me say. When they put up something upon me, baby, me like that. Touch a thing, the other group until me guy lock. Touch up on the edge of the bed and the strike. Make your upside. She alright with me, me alright with she. She don't come and take any money, okay. She don't come and give me for Mr. Puppy from back. Mash up his up, if you stand up the grind job. Better say the love you make you happy come back. But bring your body with the up top boss. Yo! What is bumbo clot? Ladies, ladies, baby, my ladies. My God, ladies, real free. They're real G. Yo. One criticism I have about this. It too short. We need half an hour of this. At least half an hour of this, TJ. TJ, the next time you go up on BBC, we need half an hour of this. Brother, these are the baddest BBC one extra me watch. Up till this day, I love it. From 2019 till now, I love it. TJ, to me, are one of the baddest out of the new school era. Performance, him have it. Vocals, him have it. Passion, him have it. Stage presence, him have it. Talent, him have it. Lyrics, him have it. Melody, him have it. Similes, him have it. Metaphors, him have it. TJ the full package to me. TJ the full package as a artist. Not even a dancer artist. A performer, a artist, a entertainer. TJ have it, dog. Yo, TJ the baddest, man. No joke. Yeah, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Let me know if you want me react to more BBC One Extra in a Jamaica. Tell me which artist for react on and I'll do it. But yeah, yes, over there. So big up on yourself and I'll see you guys when I see you. You hear that? Visa, man, visa.